Hello, welcome back to another town car video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace your keyless entry pin pad transmitter, specifically on this town car. So the first step we're going to do is remove the door panel, and that's already done because I'm kind of working on it, but there's plenty of videos around on how to do that. Once it's removed, you're going to peel back this weather insulation, and on the top left hand side, you're also going to need a long sturdy flathead or Phillips as a prying tool. Let's see if I can get a good angle here. Right there, I'm gonna grab a flathead and push out on this, and hopefully it doesn't break on us. It is very well in. Alright, and then it should just kind of pop out. There we go. Go to the top. And you can grab it and slide it out, and then disconnect the electrical connector, and bada bing, bada boom. Plug in the new one from the junkyard. I might swap this plastic bezel because that one looks better than this one, but as you saw, the button's in pretty bad shape. And then to reverse it, the main thing you're going to want to focus on is this, which just applies pressure to the other side to hold it in. And yeah, that's how to replace it. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a good one. Also, quick note, I had to replace the window regulator. I got an OEM one from Ford. Ford still sells it with the motor and the track, because it just failed while at a shop, and that was truly amazing. So I have it taken apart, and I'll go inside and show you kind of what I'm working on. This is the door panel for that driver's side. I had it removed because I took it to the shop for a door alignment. Hopefully for the last time I'll ever do. So the problem with this door panel is, one, it's slowly falling apart. So a couple of the clips that hold the Christmas tree clips to the door panel are broken. So this one is, and that one is as well. And what I'm doing is I am using cut up codes and rewards codes and credit cards to kind of make a fitment, if you want to call it that, and then applying some JB Weld and letting it sit for 24 hours to hopefully bond it so that the door panel is not loose inside the cart. But since I said this was in pieces, you can also see that all over the place, this gray stuff, these are all hairline cracks that have formed on the door panel from removing it and putting it back in. Probably by the previous owner, because I've only removed this about 3 times because I do not want to remove it. And you might say, you can go to the junkyard and get one. Yes, I could, if a bunch of them were not torn apart, because people do not know how to take these apart carefully. They just rip it apart. So, and also this is a specialty one because it's a signature, well, it's a THX sound system, so it has the THX badge right here on the grill, which can, with effort, be transferred if you drill out these plastic rivets, whatever they're called. They melted the plastic to hold it on. You could transfer that to another door panel if one was in good shape. And then here I've repaired it, and then this is also loose. Right there, it's broken, but I'm going to fix that later because currently I have this propped on a toolbox. Because of this, the top quarter of the door panel was leaning forward, so I needed to close the gap by raising it up, and then I could apply JB Weld. I got this replaced, so this is going in the trash, and I did test the new one. Walk into the car. Here we are. So this is the new one that I replaced. The button's on a whole lot better shape, and it has the old original factory bezel on it. because that was in nicer shape. And if some of you noticed, if you are a follower of this lower chrome piece molding, I finally ordered this piece. It was a little bit expensive, but cheaper than ordering the whole set. This is me attempting to fix it. It looks real horrible and nasty. I'm going to peel this off using a heat gun and WD-40, and also have goof off the liquid form. So I'm going to move the adhesive that's left over and carefully redo that so it'll look a lot better. So that pretty much does it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and have a good one.